What's up, everyone? Today is day, I don't know, 4. We're about to leave Shinjuku and head to Osaka. I did remember to buy a Sunatori, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's really good. You wanna try it? This is really freaking good. I'm going to finish packing and head to Tokyo Station from Shinjuku to get on the bullet train to Osaka. Alright, we are at Shinjuku train station on our way to Tokyo train station to go on the bullet train to Osaka. We're taking the Chuo line, orange JCO5 to Tokyo. It's definitely busy at this time of the hour. It's a work day. This train station is huge. Not as busy as Shinjuku. Shinjuku is wild, but it is crazy packed. Right now it is about 10:30 local time, so it's probably still rush hour. Waiting for our parents and the wife using the bathroom break. We're gonna buy some snacks out here before we buy our ticket for the bullet train to Osaka. I'm loving it so far. I'm loving Japan. I didn't think I was gonna love it this much. It's definitely probably the best place I've been to. Alright, so we're here at a little shop. So we're looking for stuff to eat, to take on. Ohayou gozaimasu. There's definitely a lot of options. Definitely a lot to choose from. Show you what we get. The Hachi beef lunchbox. We ended up getting, what, did you get beef? A beef box. I got a beef box. I'm gonna get a beer. Highball. No, I'll get me one of these.
That's what I was gonna get too, as bad.
Alright, now we're gonna go pay for this. This is how you pay. Alright, we got our bento boxes and our drinks. So we're gonna try to see if we can get these train tickets. You're literally just following some signs. I think the train tickets you can get at that kiosk over there. So it's going to be 202. So choose your seat. I'm gonna choose 3 and 4. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So we are on the bullet train. Got the right side to see Mount Fuji. Very spacious. We got the reserved seating. Plenty of leg room. We're in reserved seating car 10 to Osaka. So definitely very spacious. So it's about like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So it's gonna be a comfortable ride. So this is my meal that I will be having. It's a beef meal at the train station. Be having a beer with it. Let's see how it goes. Line to get to our hotel in Osaka. Finally made it out of the train station. Osaka. It's right there. We're going to Kyushu Ramen Kyo Dotonorobi. Hey, I butchered it, but you'll see it on the video. The menu. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. So the ramen here was very delicious. Very, very good. Definitely recommend it. So we just finished eating. Now we're going to be making our way towards, I guess, the Running Man. It's definitely a lot different than Tokyo. Definitely a little bit more laid back. Bought this, we're gonna try it out. So candied strawberries. They're so good and they're so weird at the same time. I've never had strawberries like that. This is weird. This is, I've never had anything like this. Arigatou gozaimasu. What'd you get?
Matcha ice cream. This one was better. Matcha ice cream.
So is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Never had matcha ice cream before. It's very good. I've never had matcha until Japan, to be honest. That is really good. And this is so cool. On the river in Osaka. We're having fun. This is awesome. This is amazing, dude. We are to the Ferris wheel. Been seeing it so long in videos. Now I'm seeing it in person. It's pretty tall. I'm gonna get to see the Running Man pretty soon. See the Running Man. We finally see him in real life. There's the Running Man right there. We made it. Going to a cocktail bar called Pizza. Let's see how it is. So we're here. Here is the menu. Other cocktails. We're outside. There was a room. I sent my parents inside. It's a nice little spot. I'm gonna be going with the Millard banana shake. What are you gonna get?
Espresso martini.
Okay, we just got our drinks. They look pretty tasty. We had an espresso martini, and it had like banana. I wanted to try it. It looked pretty. It sounded pretty interesting, so I wanted to try it out. Let's see. You can taste the vodka. You can taste the rum. A hint of the banana is not overwhelming, which is very good. You can taste the espresso and the coffee. It's delicious.
That is good. Check them out together.
Yeah. And then you got a espresso martini, right?
Also very good.
Yeah. It's a very good spot. We love espresso. We love coffee. We love drinks, especially espresso martinis. That one's real good. If you guys are interested in coming out here, that's how it looks like from the street. Like I said, it's stuff. Here is the menu. This is just what we needed to wake up again. This is crazy fast. And it's, what day is it? Thursday? Thursday? A Thursday?
I'll just take a bite of it.
You see it dancing?
Hot, good.
It's good. It's hot.
You gotta wait a while.
It's very. Called PC and Retro Bar Space.
And so there's certain things. I'm sure there's a.